Al-Khwarizimi, Father of Algebra, from the 19th of the 7th month of 1446. Al-Khwarizimi was known for leaving some of his sources as mysteries. Why should that matter if we put credit where it is due, or carry on the scientific truths of his legacies? Ancient nations did the math before, but mere translations continue to advance people from afore. Corrections of the ancients and additions for the then moderns kept it from being a bore. Formulation took the numbers and terrain to a place where people could figure out more. Religion is not truly for the rejectors of science, and intentions for the remains of the past societies should be for even more. And so his name, Muhammad ibn Musa Khwarizimi. He was mainly known for mathematics, astronomy, and geography. And he's sometimes confused with al-Majusi, al-Kutrubuli, but it's clear that those are different individuals. And so some of the method of doing trigonometry and algebra continue on today. And some people are going to say, well, math has no religion. And it's like, well, religion can be considered an aspect. And restoration is related to why we call it algebra. And so we're, restoring the answers. And so there's a bunch of formulas and methods and stuff that's we're still using today. And for a long time, just a translation of some of his works would be enough for a student in the various fields, including, some of the British. And he was known for some work on calendars. Of course, astronomy is in tune with that. The moon has certain cycles that you can look at, for example, and you can combine them to form show the correlations between them.